Welcome back everyone to creating chess in Godot 4, and today we start strong with creating a new function right on, which will be set underscore move, and here we are going to actually set the move. Now in the brackets we are going to have a var2 and var1, which will be basically our we can even place it here already, which will be elif is state true, and here it's going to be set underscore move with var2 and var1. Basically, if the person presses the square once again when the state is true, so that means that you can actually move the piece. And here we are going to run a loop for all the possible moves until we find the actual move. So it's gonna be if I.x equals var2 and I.y equals var1. So basically, is our mouse pressed position square x and y equal to a possible move that was in the selected piece moves. And here, if it is, we set the board var2 var1 equal to board selected underscore piece dot x and selected piece dot y. And now the previous square, we just need to set, basically copy this and do it to 0. So basically the new square that we are moving the piece to, we are setting to the old piece, and the old piece we are setting to 0 because it's going to be empty. And now here the white will be opposite of white, so basically set white to opposite of what its current mover is, and then we just display underscore board. Now we will go back to display board, and here we will do a for loop for child in pieces dot get children. We just queue free all the children that are already added to our board to the pieces. Now we go back to set move, and here we basically just break, so out of this for loop, because if we found a move that is we basically just break. And here we need to do the same as we did for the pieces, so I'm gonna create a new function. It's gonna be delete underscore dots, and here is gonna be for child dots dot get underscore children, and here child dot q3, and this is it. We copy this function and we just place it out of the for loop because we want to delete the unwanted dots. And the last thing we need to do is state be equal to false, because we already moved a piece. Now let's go to the game and actually try it out. So I press on this and you can see that I can move and it works. Now if I press on some black piece, it works. Now if I press on black piece again, you can see that nothing happens, but I can move our pawn again and move this again, and let's say do this, and we can actually take, and this we can take, and this, and let's say this we can do, and this we can do, and this. So basically we have a working game. Now it's this video is a quick one, so I'm gonna press on my camera and zoom in a little bit more, so it's a bigger board. There you go. It looks better. And now another thing, if I press on my thing and don't move it and press on another, you can see that it just closes it, and I can press on other things, basically closing the pieces, which is awesome. And now another thing we need to do is go to our scripts and in the display options, and here if it is white, we're going to set our turn to be texture, and it's gonna be turn underscore white. In another case, we set turn.texture into turn underscore black. Now if we go into the game, and yeah, this is wrong. We need to set its ordering to be at -10, let's say. So if we go now, and if we let's do a move like that, you can see that it basically shows. Now if I press on this and press on another piece, you can see that the turn thing only changes when it's needed. One thing we can actually do is go to our visibility and set the module to alpha to be for 150, so it's not gonna be that harsh of a color. Yep, it's gonna be gray and grayish as well. So yeah, this was pretty much it. This video will be shorter, but it doesn't really matter. We are going to pick up on the next video. So thank you for watching and goodbye.